Hi, gals. I just thought I would record this really quickly, make it a little easier. So you're going to log into RAZ Kids. The link is in your email with your login information. Come over here, click on Member Login. I have 2 accounts, so I was sent 2 login credentials. I already set up my first one, so now I have to set up my second one. I'm going to click Remember Me because I don't want to have to enter it every time. I agree. It's loading. Okay, so once we're here, I'm going to click on Add Students. So this is what we're going to click on, the CSV file upload. So if I were you, you're going to go ahead and download the sample file. I'll show you what that looks like. There it goes. Okay. All right, let me pull it over to this monitor so you guys can see it. Okay, so right here you have your student login name, and then we have first name, last name, district. This is optional, so if you don't want to put it, you don't have to. Grade is optional, level. I just went ahead and took that all out, and then password. I went in and just created a bunch of random passwords in there. That way I didn't have to worry about it. So let me show you the one I did. So I went ahead and created my second half. So here's my first one, so you can kind of see what I did, and then I'll be uploading my second one though. Okay, that one's not opening. That's okay. This is the one that I have for my second one, so I just have their names, and then I just created literally whatever word popped into my head for the password. So once you have that created, you're going to go ahead and choose your file. The year. Okay, so now we see it right here. We're going to click Upload. And then those 2 students that I had are right here. And then you just click Save. And now I have those 2 kids in my account. And then later, once I know where they're at, you can always change it. Okay, I hope that helps you guys. Bye, everybody.